and welcome to my channel. For those of you new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing a quick little fun review for you. We've been testing this Vankyo Performance V610 Full HD projector. So I, first and foremost, wanted to do a review on this. We have been looking into wanting to buy a projector for a really long time, and we just don't really know what to go with, or we don't really know a ton of people who have them. So I was really excited to be able to try this out. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about it, do some unboxing, show you everything that it comes with and the features that it does have. So this is what it is. And then it comes in a case. I think this is great. I think this comes in handy. You can hang it up if you choose to. You can put it on a shelf, you can put it in a closet. And this is super functional for me, and it doesn't get ruined when it's in a case. They also sent me their portable projector screen. We have nowhere to put this in our house. I tried almost every single wall to get this up, and our walls are just, this is 120 inches long, and anywhere I tried, it just wasn't working out, or we were gonna have to rip the whole house apart to move things around. And anyways, we found a wall that worked for the projector screen and for our home, and anytime we want to move things around, we totally can use it on there. So without further ado, I'm going to do a unboxing slash review. So when you unbox the projector screen, it has 2 HDMI, 2 USB, AV, VGA, SD card, and audio outlet ports. So you're able to use multiple devices such as laptops, Xbox, Android, and Mac operating devices, along with USB sticks. It comes with a ton of different things. I absolutely love that they have a case. It comes with a lens cap, which is also nice, and it won't get damaged if you have it in a case. I love that. You get a remote so you can change the volume and the screen size. You get a cord to obviously plug it in, and an aux cord as well, or AUX, what do you want to call that, a little USB stick, and all kinds of really fun stuff in here. And this projector screen comes with manuals, a quick start manual, and a user manual, and I have to say that it is so easy to set up. This is a portable screen. I'm just going to show you this just a little bit because I did not use this in the video. This is a really nice quality. It's almost like a nice, thick, soft bed sheet, and you can just hang it up with some command hooks and just like a curtain. And I think that was a super cool and super genius idea, but the quality of this is really nice as well. So if you don't have a big, large wall, you can definitely use something like this. So we are not super techie people, but we were able to figure this out. You just had to plug in the projector and then also plug it right into your laptop. We used a laptop, like I said, we don't have super high-tech things. And this little Chromebook is probably 5 or 6 years old, and it worked out perfect. I love that the top of this projector also has a really soft top. And the V610 projector has a 4D electronic keystone correction function that ensures that your projected image is always a standard rectangle. It has a giant screen from 45 all the way to 200 inches wide. And the projector also has a built-in 5W dual stereo speaker and SRS sound system. The lamp life lasts up to about 50,000 hours, and this also comes with a 3-year warranty. So we just plug the computer in, and then you just have to do a mirror image is what popped up. I'm just going to use my YouTube channel because, well, copyright, you guys, copyright, and we do not want that around here. And then right in the front is where you can zoom in and zoom out. I'm showing you this in the daytime so you could see how to hook it up. Also, the audio, it doesn't do much justice, but it does work out, and it's really, really good. The quality is really, really nice. Little palette board. You can use this as a Christmas ornament. You could use this as a shelf decor piece. You could put it in your 3-tier tray. There's so many different options you can do with this, but this is just something simple that I came up with. I had no idea what to do with these palettes. I just thought they were super. And this is what the projector looks like when it is turned on at night. The quality and the picture are amazing, and this is a little bit of Sugar Rush on Netflix. We love this show, and it's Christmas, so we've been just binging on Christmas shows. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you do want to check out one of these projectors for a Christmas gift I think these would be an amazing family gift, especially if you guys are wanting to do gifts that does not involve toys. I know that a lot of people do that these days, and I think this would be perfect. But if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Candace Nelson, creator of the world's first cupcake-only bakery, Sprinkles Cupcakes. Next up, the ghost of Sugar Rush Christmas, past, present, and future, Adriana's Mo.